Hey guys, Troy Dooley, the Beachside CEO. Hey, I want to pop this up. We're going to put a link to the actual SCOTUS report, what's just coming out. This actually happened first of the month, but we've had so much other stuff going on, we didn't get this up, and I want to share this with you right now. This, if you guys remember back 2014, there was a handful of us, Jeff Rogers, Troy Neihart, myself, Charles Best, a few others were launching Kannaway. Kannaway was a subsidiary. Actually, it was a standalone company, and Medical Marijuana Inc. bought it. That was Michael Lamas at the time. He's passed away. But we brought CBD to the market, what we call the OGs, and literally Kannaway became the first and the largest at the time CBD company operating in the direct sales space. Now, within a couple of years, most of us exited there. We went over and launched a company called Isodial. But what happened is another subsidiary of medical marijuana's sold a product that had a little bit of THC in it when you read this case. Now, here's something you need to know, though, and this is something that we talked about back then. Even just a CBD product can have a little bit of THC in it, and depending on your metabolism, what happens inside the gut, your DNA, that can still, even if it's just a small amount, you can pop on a drug test. And that's what happened here. A gentleman lost his job because he was taking a CBD product from Kannaway. Now, regrettably, this went all the way to the Supreme Court, and Medical Marijuana Inc. just lost this case this month. That means this gentleman can continue to file his RICO case against the company. The reason this is important is because I've watched every other company that has launched a CBD product in the direct sales space and outside of the direct sales space talk about no THC in their product, even though on the label it might say 0.03% or 0.003. I mean, they've all got something. A lot of them trying to shift away from the CBD and say, no, we got hemp oil in this. I don't care what company it is. This case just opened up Pandora's box. If anyone is taking your product and you have not been very specific in your marketing, in your product information, uh, profiles, any of that stuff, if you're not specific in the fact that you could pop for a test, then you guys are going to leave yourselves wide open for a RICO case, because what they're going to look at is they're going to look at the company and they're going to look at all of the distributors and say, wait a minute, you guys were in this together. You were not disclosing that I could get hit if I had a company. In this case, he was a driver for a company. He had a DOT license, and he flunked the test, the drug test. So you got to be careful on this stuff. This is very important. If you're in any company that's marketing a CBD product, then get not just this video, but send this article. We're going to put it in the comments once this goes live. Put it out there. Let people know. We'll put some articles up over at Talk News or TalkGigs.news. Let everybody know. But make sure if you're marketing CBD, I'm a firm believer CBD's helped a lot of people no matter what form it's in. But you have to be authentic and truthful and let people know. If you're marketing something and you don't really understand, you're not a student of that business, you're not a student of what's going on, then you can set yourself up. If you guys want to know more about CBD, you want to know about some of the associations that are out there that lobby on the for the benefits of this, let me know. We'll give you some links to it. You can give me a DM or ask for it in the comments, and we'll make it go live. It's a short one, but I wanted you guys to know that. So just stay there. Hey, live well, finish strong. I'll see you on the next video.